How to replace the wearable components on a Lightspeed Sierra headset. There are three main components: the ear seals, the head pad, which has completely disappeared off of this headset, and then the mic muff. The ear seals are really easy to replace. You simply just pull them out. There's this little plastic piece that fits in a groove inside of the headset. Take the new ear seal and just put it right back inside. Do the same for the other side. The head pad will click into place by inserting the tabs on either side and then just push it up. And finally, the mic muff, just pull it off. It's held on by these two little spurs. And I can put a fresh mic muff on. And now we're all set. We have brand new ear seals, head pad, and mic muff. By replacing these wearables, you can make your headset more comfortable as well as more quiet by creating a better seal around your ear. Most pilots will replace the ear seals more than the mic muff and the head pad, but all three items should be in good working order to ensure your headset is the quietest it can be.